10 extra fees will remain legal at restaurants in California. The relief for some and frustration for others as the last-minute move comes by Governor Gavin Newsom.
I was like, man, I got to pay for more food? Like, I got to pay for more taxes on something? It's already taxed.
Some of it seems a little bit extreme, but I understand, it's a difficult business, and I understand where everyone's coming from and needing to do stuff like that.
Those surcharges you might have noticed on your restaurant bill won't be going away after all. Good evening on this Saturday. I'm Christina Rendon. Governor Gavin Newsom signing a bill into law that was written by two Bay Area state senators. KTVU Zach Sauce live in Alameda tonight with how restaurant owners and patrons are reacting to this news. Zach.
Yeah, and Christina, reaction to this new law, pretty mixed. We're talking about things you'd find on your bill like service fees, cost of living adjustments. Those types of items were scheduled to be banned. That's until the governor's move today.
I understand both sides of the debate, but I just really appreciate transparency in my dining.
Kenneth Lim, owner of the Hobnob in Alameda, reacting to an 11th hour move by Governor Gavin Newsom, keeping the practice of restaurant surcharging legal.
I don't really agree with putting the surcharges on. I would rather just raise my prices and clearly have it labeled on the menu so the guests can see the pricing before instead of at the end.
The governor signing a new bill exempting restaurants and bars from a law scheduled to go into effect on July 1st that would have banned so-called hidden or junk fees, charges like health care or service costs added to restaurant bills. Some diners backing the move.
I believe that the surcharges that I've seen have been attached to the bills for good reasons, for the ability to pay servers, medical insurance, higher pay. I think that's good. That's terrific.
Others viewing the charges as just one more cost to bear in an already expensive state.
Raising a family of 5 in a high cost of living and then on top of that having a surcharge makes it extremely challenging.
Under the new law, restaurants must now, quote, clearly and conspicuously display any additional fees and an explanation of their purpose. In a statement, the Golden Gate Restaurant Association, which had strongly backed the bill, saying in part, quote, after 9 months of stress and uncertainty, we are relieved to have clarity as to the use of service or surcharges on restaurant menus. So many of our members are independent restaurants and rely on these line item charges to provide employee benefits and support pay equity. This clarification is much appreciated.
I think it's a good thing. We're already paying so much taxes on pretty much everything.
And this new law going into effect on Monday again. Surcharges now allowed on restaurant bar bills. Essentially, they just need to be prominently displayed. Christina?
Zach Sauce live in Alameda tonight. Zach, thank you.